If two number are in ratio 3:4, their sum is 84. Find the smallest number. So there is the ratio given of two numbers 3:4. Is it clear? So we remove this ratio and we put x 3x and 4x. Let the two number be are 3x and 4x. So after assuming these two numbers, what we do, 3x and 4x, the next step is here in the next sentence. The sum is 84. So according to the problem, ATP means according to problem. So it is their sum. What is sum? Sum means plus sign between 3x and 4x, and its sum is 84. So we write equal to 84. So 3x plus 4x is 7x is equal to 84. So x will be 84 divided by 7. That means 12. It will cancel by 12. So x is nothing but x is 12. So smallest number is 3x, largest number is 4x. So we here 3x value find out. Yes, 36, correct. So smallest number is 36 because 3x is.
Going to write 36, but then I didn't know this is going to be correct.
I think you erased the answer.
Yeah, I did.
Question number 19. The solution is factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. So first look there is three terms. 1, 2, 3. The plus sign separated are called terms. So first term, second term, third term. So there is x square in first term, second term as x, and third term is without x. So this is without x term, this is x term, this is x square term. So we can say there is three terms. 3 is odd number. 3 terms is there. So 3 terms is called trinomial. 3 terms expression is called trinomial. This is trinomial. Okay. So trinomial we have to convert into 4 terms. We have to convert to factorize. First we make these 3 terms into 4 terms. So in 4 terms we convert, but we should know that the outer terms are 6 and x square. The outer terms are 6 and x square, and middle term is 5x. This is the first thing we have to know, and we have to write equation this expression into the decreasing power of x. So here is x raised power 2, here is x raised power 1, here is without x raised power 0 it means. So first we write decreasing, that is given in the problem also. So now we have to divide this middle term into two parts such that the product of two parts of the middle term gives us 6x square, and addition of middle term gives us 5x. So this is very simple number. You can say x square, 5x is divided into 3x and 2x. We can say its product is 6x square and their sum is 5x. So we write this 5x as 3x plus 2x because this is called middle term splitting. This is called middle term splitting, and middle term splitting is used in factorized type problems. So after dividing this 5x as 3x plus 2x, we get 4 terms. Total there is now 4 terms. Now 4 terms, from first 2 terms we take common. If you don't know 3x plus 5x, you can find out the prime factorization of product of outer numbers. So 6 1 ja 6, outer numbers product is 6 and its factor is dividing by prime numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are two factors. It gives us 6 when we multiply, and when we add we get 5x. Since there is same sign outer terms, this is outer term, they have same sign, so middle term also have same sign. So middle term is positive, so both the middle term have positive sign. So plus 3x plus 2x we write down. Now take the common. Here is x common, both terms has x. Here is x into x, here is 3 into x. So x we take common. So after taking a 1x common, x will remain inside. Because x square divide x, we get x. Now 3x divide x, we get 3. Common means we take such numbers, that is called HCF. HCF of x square and 3x is x. So HCF we write outside. so it is divide. HCF divide x square divided by x, we get x, and 3x divided by x, that is 3. Now we find the HCF or common term of last two terms, 2x and 6. So we can say it is obviously 2 is common from both the term 2x and 6. So we take 2 outside, and now 2x divided by 2 we get x. 2 cancel. Now 6 divided by 2 we get 3. 6 divided by 2 we get 3. You can say now the bracket in the both the, now there is, this is first term and this is second term. There is now two terms. It is called binomial. It is called binomial. Two terms are called binomial. Three terms is called trinomial. So from trinomial it comes to binomial. Now factorize means convert into monomial. Factorize means convert into monomial. It means one term. So we again further simplified how we can say the bracket in the both the term. First term is this one, second term is this one. In the first term and in the second term, we can say bracket x plus 3 is common. It is common. This is present in both the term. So we take outside x plus 3, because x plus 3 has two terms. So we write in bracket, and in the second bracket we write outer terms of these brackets. So outer here is x, outer here is 2. So x plus 2 we write in second bracket. It is now monomial because the two brackets are multiplying. So multiplying has only consider into one term. So this complete has one term, x plus 3, x plus 2. So this is the factorized answer. So x square plus 5x plus 6, factorized answer is x plus 3, x plus 2. If the question has one term, it means bracket terms given. If the question is x plus 3, x plus 2, you have to multiply them and you have to got this answer, this x square plus 5x plus 6. If the question is given factorize, then you have to convert these three terms into four terms, then two terms, then one term. So this is called factorized problem. So vice versa is available here in this question. So one term is called monomial. So monomial, if the question is given, simplify x plus 3 into x plus 2 or multiply x plus 3 into x plus 2. So you convert this monomial into binomial. Binomial convert into, after multiplying inside the bracket, you will get four terms. Four terms is called quadropial. Quadromial terms. Quad means four. So quadronomial. And then you add these x like terms, so it will get three terms. So you, if the question is this x plus 3, x plus 2, you will get the answer x square plus 5x plus 6. If the question is x square plus 5x plus 6, you got the answer x plus 3, x plus 2. Vice versa problems is available in many questions. What is means circumference? The question is find the circumference of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. What is means circumference?
Circumference is the perimeter of a circle.
Yes, correct. This perimeter is called circumference, and its formula is written as c. C means circumference equal to 2 pi r. R means radius. All three terms are multiplying. So 2 multiply pi means 22 over 7. R means radius. So radius here is given 7 centimeter. So answer will come in centimeter. So denominator 7, numerator 7 cancels. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. This is the circumference. If the question is extra added in this, find the area. So area is also we can find out by using pi r square identity. Pi means 22 over 7 into 7 is radius. Again we write square is there. So 2 times 7 into 7. 1 7 cancels. 7 into 22 is 154 centimeter square. Unit of area is centimeter square. Either circumference is asked sometimes, or area is asked, or sometimes area given, you can find the radius. If the sometimes circumference is given, question is asked radius, find the radius. So this is the two formula. There is two formula that are basic to find the circumference and area. Now look next 22 question number. Angles of triangle are in ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. Find the measure of the angles. Previously we have done sum of two numbers. So here we first assume three angles. let the three angles be. So here is ratio given 2, 3, 4. So 2x, 3x and 4x. These are three angles of triangle. Since we know that in sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Do you know? Sum of three.
180.
Yes, 180. So we put here 180 degree. It is not given. It is not necessary given in the problem because we know it. 180 degree is the sum of the triangle. So 3x plus 2x plus 4x is 180. So 2 plus 3 plus 4, it is 9x equal to 180. So x is, divide both side by 9. It is 20 degree.
20.
Yes, so first angle becomes 2x is 40 degree. 2 into 20, 40 degree.
40.
So 20, 40, 60 and 80. 3x is 60, 4x is 80. So 40, 60, 80 is the answer.